you want to grow as a YouTuber, but don't want to show your face? You're clueless, right? Don't worry, we've got your back. Before starting, we have a quick pro tip for you. Almost all of the top YouTubers use vidIQ to supercharge their channel. It skyrockets their channel insights, suggests the best description, keywords, channel competitors, channel title, and much, much more. You can check its link from the description below. Now, let's start with our video. Number 1, interesting facts. These videos include everyday objects, human body insights, daily fun facts, historical events, science and nature trivia, food and drink trivia, geography oddities, travel destinations, and much, much more. One of the top channels in this niche is Brightside, with 44 million subscribers. Number 2, quizzes and games. Quizzes and games can be pretty much interesting for almost all age groups and offers a variety of engaging content, including personality tests, educational games, guessing games, live quizzes, board and card game reviews, game show formats, and puzzle-solving walkthroughs. By combining fun and learning, the channel can attract a diverse audience looking for entertainment and challenges. Number 3, book summaries. Do you love reading books? This channel, Escaping Ordinary, has reached million followers by posting visual book summaries. That's how he got 14 million views with a summary of Atomic Habits by James Clear. Many people don't have time to read a full book, so you'll help them out by summarizing the main takeaways. Number 4, science experiments. What is more entertaining than watching science experiments? After all, people come to see a shocking treat, and above all, not necessarily the creator performing them. So, you can just keep the camera on your hands and rake in millions of YouTube views. Check out this channel named Fun Science, which got 26 million views showing a compilation of experiments. Number 5, travel guides. Travel Guides offers content for viewers planning their trips. These channels can provide detailed destination overviews, practical travel tips, hidden gems, food and cuisine highlights, detailed itineraries, and narrated travel vlogs. They also share cultural insights, accommodation reviews, adventure activities, and travel news updates. By delivering high-quality visuals and informative narration, these channels help viewers discover new destinations and plan their travels efficiently. To check out more niches that you can work on, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. We have so much more for you to unlock your financial freedom.